Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try white polo t-shirt with dark grey cargo pants and maroon boots. Next you can try grey printed shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try green half sleeve shirt with brown pants and brown loafers. Next you can try red shirt with blue jeans and black boots. Next you can try black t-shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try peach pattern shirt with white pants and tan boots. Next you can try grey polo t-shirt with white pants and tan sandals. Next you can try white shirt with blue baggy jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try brown shirt with white pants and black loafers. Next you can try brown half sleeve shirt with navy blue shorts and brown sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 printed shirt outfit ideas.